The server unreachable error on Assurance Wireless means your device can't connect to their servers, preventing access to the app and account services. First, quickly check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular signal, at least 3 bars. If using Wi-Fi, confirm it's working correctly. Next, force close and restart the Assurance Wireless app. This clears temporary glitches within the app. If the problem persists, power cycle your device by turning it off and on again. This reestablishes the network connection. These quick fixes resolve the issue in many cases by reestablishing the network connection or clearing temporary glitches. If basic steps fail, the issue might involve DNS or VPN interference. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it, as these often cause connection problems with the Assurance Wireless app. For DNS issues, try changing your device's DNS settings to Google's public DNS servers, 828.8 and 8.84.4, in your Wi-Fi or mobile network settings. If problems continue, visit the Assurance Wireless website to see if there are any reported outages, or call Assurance Wireless support directly at 1-888-898-4888 for further assistance.